Ever pondered about the magic behind Salesforce Flow? It's a potent tool in the Salesforce universe, and today we dive into its depths. Salesforce Flow is a robust business automation tool, a gem in the crown of Salesforce. It's a visual designer that allows you to automate business processes by building applications known as flows. Without writing a single line of code, you can streamline data, deliver dynamic content, and more. Think of Salesforce Flow as a conveyor belt in a factory. Each item on the belt represents a task. As the belt moves, each task is processed step by step, making the entire process efficient and streamlined. The first step in understanding Salesforce Flow is understanding its components. These include the flow canvas, which is the playground where you build your flow. Then there are elements like data, logic, and user interface, which are the building blocks. Creating a flow is like building a Lego structure. You start with a blank canvas and add elements to create a functional structure. You can add data elements to create, read, update, or delete Salesforce records. Logic elements allow you to control how your flow behaves, and user interface elements let you interact with your users. Now, to build your flow, you first need to design it. This involves identifying the tasks you want to automate, mapping out the process, and then translating it into a flow. You then add the elements onto your flow canvas, connecting them to create a sequence of actions. Once your flow is ready, you need to activate it. This is like turning on the switch. Your flow is now live and ready to automate your business process. But what if you need to make changes? Fear not. Salesforce Flow allows you to create versions of your flow so you can tweak and improve it without disrupting the live version. Now, what's a tool without measuring its effectiveness? Salesforce Flow gives you debug logs so you can monitor how your flow is functioning. In summary, Salesforce Flow is a powerful tool that lets you automate business processes in Salesforce. It allows you to build applications or flows using a visual designer. You design your flow, add elements to it, and then activate it. You can even create versions of your flow for continuous improvement. And with debug logs, you can monitor the effectiveness of your flows. So the next time you find yourself grappling with a complex business process, remember Salesforce Flow. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to streamline and automate. It's the magic wand in your Salesforce toolkit, waiting to transform the way you do business. That's all for today. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the world of Salesforce is at your fingertips.